really suck because we look at all our pictures and we're gonna be like, wait.
Nobody.
Wait. This was 21.
Nobody told me to start.
Oh, I don't have a light.
In my purse, there's lighter.
Ouch.
Baby, you wanna carry Siggy para que salga en la foto?
Sleep, mama.
But she's gotta be in the
She's gotta be
picture.
asleep.
¿Cuánto es? You didn't tell me anything. There wasn't.
Wait to start. You haven't recorded yet, no?
Yeah, it's recording.
Okay.
We'll stop it.
Ready? Happy birthday. Hold on to it.
To you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jessie. Happy birthday. Get out. Get out.
Hey! Be outside! Look at it. Why'd you stop early? That's it, so
He has to see her later.
Then you can take it out.
Oh yeah, I'm going out to dinner.
I know.
Let it dry. Let it dry.
It'll come right out once it
I guess someone didn't shake it good hard enough. It's the green one. Who has the green one?
Look at Nicholas. He's like, what the hell just happened?
Mama, leave it alone. Let it dry.
Ew.
Yeah, let it dry and it'll just come off.
Might as well just keep spraying.
You're 21.
Ooh.
Her hair kind of matches the cake.
Yeah.
The squiggly.
¿Viste?
I think I got some of the candy. Ay, coño, ya va.